What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be having a look at Kadena, the most and best layer 1 proof of work scalable network out there, or cryptocurrency I should say. Ranked 83, we got a market cap a little bit above $1 billion, so this is actually still pretty low in my opinion. It has one of the highest TPS in the market right now. This can easily flip Solana, and we're currently at $1 billion market cap. So not financial advice, always do your own research, but I would keep an eye on this coin if I were you guys. We're also going to be having a look at Bitcoin, have a TA analysis on Bitcoin, and I mean, we know Bitcoin's king, there's no question. Bitcoin currently up a little bit under 1%, half a percent, over half a percent right here. Altcoins are in the green, as you guys can see. I would say 80 to 85% of the altcoins are currently in the green right now, and that's it. So we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin starting off on the weekly time frame. We're going to be diving into to the daily and then to the 4-hour time frame as we go. So first of all, Bitcoin is arriving or coming to a very important region right now. Are we going to see a bounce at 42,000? At 42,000 is a key region. Why is that? We saw a rejection right here for the arrow, another one right here, another one right here, and one right here and another one right here. So we know that 42,000 is one of the most important levels for Bitcoin. If we manage and close the weekly time frame, which is a very important candle, we're most likely going to fall back to $36,000. I mentioned in my last video that $36,000 is a possible target for Bitcoin. Why did I say that? Because we broke this we broke the 45k level, which was this wick right here on the daily time frame. And this is why, in my opinion, we're most likely going to see some fallback. And perhaps this little bump right here was perhaps a fake out. But we shouldn't be mad. This is only a time to accumulate more Bitcoins, more Kadenas, more altcoins, and so on. So this is something that's very important. And of course, if we manage to break the 36,000 level and we close below the weekly, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back to $30,000, which is something that I've always wanted Bitcoin to go back to. Kadena most likely will be lower than that. Let's have a look on the daily time frame real quick. On the daily time frame, this is what I was mentioning on the weekly time frame. We broke below this level right here at 45,000, 44.8, and closed below it. Nothing too much to see over here, but on the 4-hour time frame, as things will get a little interesting. We're in a bear flag now. A lot of people were calling, oh, Bitcoin is in a bull flag. Yes, we were in a bull flag. I'm not gonna lie, this was it. Michael Saylor bought Bitcoin at 47,000 at the peak, which is kind of funny. He bought, every time he tweets, we dump. So he bought it. Everyone expected the dump. Boom, we dumped, and Bitcoin currently entered a nice little bull flag right here, or a bear flag, and we continued to the downside, as you guys can see. Now the target for that is usually the length of this wick right here, or of this little action movement that we have. Our target should be $39,000, a little bit under 40,000. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens over here in the next few days, and we're going to have to see when the weekly closes, of course, tomorrow night. Having a look at Kadena real quick, one of the best and my favorite coins out there. We're not looking too great. We are consolidating right now. If I remove this for just a second, we are consolidating between the two yellow lines between 7.5 and 5.85. We've been consolidating here since the 19th of February 2022. Nothing too crazy. We had a nice little fake out right here. Well, it wasn't really a fake out, but we had this nice little consolidation right here that we had for 6 days. Broke out of it, came back, retested this resistance or support right here, came back up and got rejected. So this is a new strong resistance, and of course this is a new strong support right here. Now whoever wins this is going to be very interesting. The other thing that we did break right here was this the trend, guys. So we know the trend is your friend until it bends. We had a few hits right here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 4 targets on the trend line. Boom, we broke out of it yesterday. Yesterday night we broke out of it, April 8th, and we're most likely going to come back and retest the $5.7, $5.8 for Kadena. If this breaks, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to $4.5. $4.5. Of course, assuming Bitcoin does go down to 30k, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a massive wick to $2.5 on Kadena. That would be a huge crash from here. It would be 60% crash. It would make our portfolio bleeds, of course, but it would only be a opportunity to buy more Kadenas, in my opinion. And yes, even though I'm invested in Kadena, I wouldn't be mad if we come back down to 2.5. Great opportunity for the future. Anyways, guys, that is my update on Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.